Introduction to Odoo programming languages. Odoo is primarily built with Python for its backend and it's used JavaScript for frontend. So Odoo service side codes are build business logics and are written in Python, leveraging frameworks like Workzoo for web handling and Scicop2 for postal SQL databases connection. Front-end part, Odoo uses JavaScript along with the OWL, Odoo Web Libraries frameworks for client-side functionalities. This is used for enhancing the UI interactive of a web view in an Odoo interface. Databases that Odoo uses is Postage SQL as its database,